Into why women live longer than men and which decade of your life is most critical for heart health. Those stories, plus what to do if you ever find yourself trapped on a cruise ship sick with norovirus. Here's tonight's Health Watch.
Your 30s may be the most important time in your life, at least when it comes to your cardiovascular health. A study out of Korea found people who had better cardiovascular health in their 30s had a more than 30% lower risk for heart attacks, strokes, and kidney disease later in life. Researchers say people need to start monitoring their heart health at a younger age. New research shows education may be an effective way to prevent dementia. A study in Finland looked at twins and found those with 12 or more years of education were less likely to have dementia than those with only 6 years of education. Education led to better performance on cognitive tests and better word recall. The benefits even lasted after the age of 90. Why do women tend to live longer than men? A study by the Max Planck Institute looked at that phenomenon, which is true not just in the human world, but across all mammals. One theory is that there are genetic factors which protect women from harmful mutations. Parental care also plays a role, with research showing the gender that's involved more in raising offspring tends to live longer. And the CDC confirmed norovirus has sickened nearly 100 people aboard Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas during a cruise from San Diego to Miami. Norovirus is a very contagious stomach infection. Symptoms include diarrhea and vomiting. So what if you ever find yourself in a similar situation? Well, in this case, infectious disease doctors believe it likely spread at community dining like a buffet. And on a ship or not, they say prioritize hand hygiene. There is no antiviral treatment for norovirus, so if you do get sick, it's just about treating the symptoms and making sure that you stay hydrated.
Cruise liner staff increased disinfection procedures, collected stool samples from passengers with gastrointestinal illnesses for testing, and isolated ill passengers and crew members. For a closer look, head to the 2news.com website and click on the Health Watch icon.